Want to make the clock on your iPhone bigger, cleaner, and way easier to read? Here's how. In this video, I'll show you how to change the clock icon on your iPhone home screen, including how to turn it into a modern digital clock widget. Apple changed the clock style in iOS 16, but a lot of people don't realize you can customize it in just a few seconds. Here I am on my iPhone home screen, and there's the clock app. Now, instead of tapping on it normally, press and hold on it. As soon as you do that, a menu will appear. At the top left, you'll see a small icon. Tap on it, and instantly the clock becomes bigger and easier to read. And not only that, it even changes from analog time to a digital-style clock. Now, if you don't like the bigger version, don't worry. Just press and hold again. Then tap the small squares in the top left, and it'll switch back to the normal clock style. But there's actually an even better option. Press and hold on the clock app again, then tap Edit Home Screen. After that, tap Edit in the top left, and choose Add Widget. Now scroll down until you find Clock and tap on it. You'll see different clock designs here. Swipe through them and choose the one you like best. I really like this one because it shows digital time and location together. Tap Add Widget. And now the clock widget appears on your home screen. You can press and hold it, then drag it anywhere you want. If you ever want to remove it, just press and hold on the widget, then tap Remove Widget. And if you want the normal clock back, tap the top left option again to switch it back. And that's it, your iPhone clock is now fully customized and much easier to read. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.